we're doing a cooking experience, and now we are in the market. We're buying the food that we need for the cooking. And we're gonna make some pastilla, chicken pastilla, couscous and tajine, and we're gonna go to a farm to cook it, but now we're buying the ingredients. For me, that's enough. So we're buying the pastry, like a filodo, to do the pastilla, and it's made by hand in the market. So how many do you use for one? For a tiny one?
Four, maybe 4 sheets. Welcome to the farm.
We arrived at the farm, and we're gonna now learn to cook from a trained chef, and this place is just heaven. Heaven, heaven, heaven. Look, this is like an olive tree with all the olives on it. I mean, it's like I don't even know where to look. I'm dicing the onions. Then we do the garlic. So this is ras al hanout. It's a mix of many spices. And then this is cinnamon and mint, butter. Flat one.
Flat one? Yeah, good.
All right, now it's ready to cook. It's been mixed, the meat is in, and it goes on the charcoal. And we keep the spoon in because we're gonna mix a little bit.
Everything inside, please. Yeah, that's
Nej.
det var en liten wafel. Put your hand. Then we start filling it like this. You start from the front, then you turn it, you take the brush, and you start adding the kilo, and you keep turning. See? You have the color of the crunchy.
So we had an amazing experience here, from the cooking to where the place is, visiting the farm. Right now, for instance, there's the call to prayer that we can hear in a distance. It's so zen, it's so relaxing, and the food is out of this world. It's like the best experience that we have done here. And it's so nice to get away from the city, from the chaotic and of course addictive mess, to this quiet, to just get another experience. Now we're gonna enjoy our food and finish our night here.
So tonight we are with
Yeah.
Hisham. Tell us a little bit, what is it that you do here?
I am doing the cooking class here
Okay.
in this small farm. This farm is from our parent from 6 or 5 generation. I built this business from 3 years now or 4 years.
Okay.
It's okay, it's going, it's growing. I am thinking to add another kitchen in the rooftop.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, for receive more guests. Our food is our tradition and our culture.
And this gentleman right here is your dad?
Yeah, of course, he's
Yes.
my father,
What-
my
what's
best
his-
father.
Best father. What's his name?
Tahar.
Taha. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a like collaboration with him because his job is the farmer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
all in the family.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a family business.
Yes. Yeah. Well, it was really, really amazing. It was really, really beautiful. I mean, we love the premises here. We love
Thank
the
you very
ambiance,
much. Thank you.
everything. And also Abdel was really, really nice.
Yeah, it's
also
very good.
The other ladies were so kind, and it was
Yeah.
great. I didn't cook much, I have to admit it. They cooked most because I was taking videos. But it was lovely, and yeah, call us when you open the rooftop. We might come back.
Yeah, of course. We knew.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome first.
Shukran.